Well, we got the new thing for the hand thing with the sign, and you can make it change the colors, or you can do it by yourself. We got one raccoon, that's all we got, and it's miserable out. It's 10:30, but it is miserable out. Oh, poor little fella. You're all wet, aren't you? Huh? He's all wet, Dad. Yes. Are you hungry? Okay. There you go. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yes, you are. Then they get the feeders emptied. It is miserable, rotten, rainy all day. It's a heck of a situation here. I'm just going to put those hot dogs up there. Nobody else coming, is there? I'll take the feeders in because they're in. Come on. See one down there, the eyes are flashing. Yeah, those are all empty. They got those emptied. Maybe the birds did it, I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to do a little bit of work here to get this stuff in. And there's the Connor cat. Yes, he was. So I was at the Thistle tonight, and I was chauffeuring everybody home. That's what I did for the last while. So that there, you can have it flashing at night like there. And that's from Angela Hodgetts in Georgia. And I got to give her a buzz a little later. I like that. Yeah, it flashes. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, we got more. Hello. Are you ready for hot dog? Oh, we got some more. Come on. Lots of hot dogs. You ready? You ready, Freddy? Here we go. There you go. Do you want one? There you go. Isn't that nice? And you ready for another one? Here you go. Poor little babies are all wet. The poor babies are all wet. Yes, they are. Yeah. I can leave that hanging there, I think, because I don't think they can get at it, so. No, they can't. I'll just leave that out for the birds. The little babies. All wet. Huh? Rain don't stop you guys. I got a little bit of snow there close to the house that where the snow fell off the roof. But the rest of the snow and the woods and the whole area is all gone. Hello. You ready? One for you. Here we go. Okay, just a minute. Everybody's going to get one. And one for you. And we'll get another one ready for this fella. We got 3 raccoons. I bet you these guys are the Westville boys. Yeah, the town is called Westville, and it's W-E-S-T-V-I-L-L-E. That's where they're from. Foxbrook Road, actually, in Westville. So that's where they came from. You ready for another one? There you go. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy, he said, that's good. Oh, there's the 4th one coming. Yeah, everybody's. Last night I only had 1 raccoon. There you go. You ready? Come on. It's a good boy. Come on. It's a good boy. There you go. There you go. What's he going to do? Go down to the 3rd step and eat it. We'll have to get another bag out. You ready for another one? Are you ready? Huh? Do you want another one? Look. There you go. Yeah. So I got my supper there from A&W. And I'll heat that up when I'm ready. I got poutine there because Connor likes that, so I got 2 left in this bag. I'll just... What are we gonna do? Who's coming next? You coming for another one? You ready? Here. Come on. That's a good boy. Who's a good boy? Alright, I'll throw that one out and we'll go get another package. And there's the Connor cat. There he is. Connor cat in Charlotte. We're gonna crack another thing of hot dogs. I think I'll put them in the bucket. Oh, put them in the bucket. We're giving them whole ones. We'll put that's the next one in the bucket. Here we go. I bought more hot dogs today. You gotta keep ahead. And I only went through 1 pound last night, so there. All right. What are you doing? What are you doing? Connor cat. There's the little girl. So Jim's Diner's open. All right. You ready for another one? Okay. Here we go. I got the bucket out here. I'll just hang it on the doorknob. It's a lot easier. What you doing? Here. There's yours. You want one? Come get it. Here we go. You ready? You ready? Here you go. We got one under the bench. So there's 4 raccoons here. You coming out? Look. Look what I got. Look. Look. You want to go get it? Go get it. There you go. He's going in under the bench. Yeah, it's raining good. Look at that. And I got my Raccoon Whisperer. I got a half a dozen of these shirts. I got long sleeve, short sleeve. Everybody's hungry. We'll put some dry food out for you. Yes. We'll give you dry food. Do you want another one? Come get another one. Come on. That's a good boy. What a good boy. Are you ready for another one? Come on. You good boy. Yes, you are. There you go. Well, the other fellow left. He didn't even finish his hot dog. What good babies. Yes, they are. What good babies. Huh? They're good babies. Yeah, well, we're getting low, so I'm just going to put the rest of the hot dogs out and I'll put some dry out. You going to have another one? That's a good boy. Come on. There you go. I'll just, there's only a few here. I'll just dump these and I'll put some dry food out. There we go. How's that, fellas? Okay. And I got the dry food there ready to go, so. I like that. So I found the battery. This is the hand thing here, and you can set it for whatever you want to do. There, how is it? There, see that's set on green, and then you have it on yellow. Where's the red? And what else we got? Yeah. There. So then you just hit the off button and it goes off. And that's it. Now he's having a hot dog. I'll have to get another. I'm going to open up another package. So we get 3 there. I'll open up another package and then we'll put the dry food out. Alright, I guess that's all we can show for tonight. It's because of the weather, it's slim pickings, so anyway, we'll what do you think, Connor? Huh? And then I'm going to have something to eat. And Connor want poutine? Do ya? You want poutine, Connor? Do ya? Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And also the book is still for sale on Amazon. Just look for Raccoon Whisperer on Amazon. You'll find the book. Or you can go on my website, which is www.raccoonwhisperer.ca, and on there you'll find my clothing, and the book is there, and there's the video of all the raccoons, the one that went viral, it's on there too. And the boys are going to put up a slideshow. I don't know, I haven't checked to see if it was up yet, but they're going to do a slideshow for me to have on that site too. Alright people, thank you for watching, and sure appreciate your support. And when you do watch one of my videos, it does support what's going on here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.